Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Range Rover Sport 5-litre P575 SVR. This Range Rover Sport comes finished in the very sleek Santorini Black and comes sitting on the 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, complemented very nicely by the red brake calipers. This vehicle also comes fitted with the black exterior pack and privacy glass, giving that ultimate finish. This vehicle features the blind spot assist and keyless entry for an effortless journey. Moving straight inside, we have the very fantastic ebony and light cloud leather interior, and these are the electric front seats. There is a really warm welcome into this vehicle with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. This SVR comes with a very well presented dashboard, and the door card is home to some great features, including the Meridian sound system, perfect for listening to your favourite music and podcasts, and the memory seat configuration. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to show you some of the steering wheel controls. We've got voice control, lane keep assist, cruise control, and the steering wheel is heated. This SVR comes with the 2-screen infotainment system. On the first one we have the drive select modes, heated front and rear seats, and your climate controls to maximise your comfort at all times. Moving up to the second touchscreen, we have great features such as the rear camera, navigation, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and much more. To stay really in touch with this vehicle, it has the dynamic driving interface, delivering real-time data of your vehicle's performance. Continuing into the back of the vehicle now, there is a really nice amount of space for your rear passengers, and we also have the heated rear seats and 3-zone climate control to ensure they are comfortable too. This Range Rover Sport comes with ample boot space, perfect for all your luggage and shopping, and does also feature the electronic air suspension controls and the powered tailgate, making access in and out very simple. This SVR comes fitted with the 5-litre 8-cylinder engine with automatic 8-speed gearbox and can reach top speeds of 176 miles per hour. Boasting 566 brake horsepower, this vehicle can move from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. This Range Rover Sport is a one owner and also comes with the full service history and 12 months warranty and roadside assistance as part of the Land Rover approved programme. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Range Rover Sport, don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.